To manage IPs or IP ranges, access the IP Hosts Manager located in the main menu under the Tools category. Within the IP/Hosts Manager, input any specific IP address or create a range of IPs by substituting the last part with XXX string. For example, you can enter 127.253.120.123, or replace 123 with XXX to create a range like 127.253.120.XXX. This method is applicable for both IPv4 and IPv6 addresses. In IPv6, replace the last 4 characters with XXXX to denote a range of IP addresses. The algorithm within Qliker will replace any X character accordingly.